Your smart home doesn't need to cost a fortune. Here's something wild. IKEA just dropped a whole lineup of smart devices that actually make sense. We're talking Matter-ready tech at prices that won't make your wallet cry. Some of these cost less than your coffee habit this week. No more juggling 15 different apps. No more wondering if things will even work together. This is the year smart home tech stops being complicated. IKEA figured out what everyone else missed. Make it simple, make it affordable, make it work. Links are waiting in the description. Let's dive into what makes these 17 devices worth your attention. Number 17. DEJSA Table Lamp. Picture this. You walk into your bedroom after a long day. Soft light wraps around you like a warm hug. That's the DEJSA doing its thing. Chrome meets hand-blown opal glass in this beauty. Toss in any smart bulb you want. Suddenly, you're dimming lights with your voice like some kind of wizard. People can't buy just one, apparently. They grab a second to flank their bed. Makes sense when something looks this good. The glow hits different too. Not harsh, not boring. Just right for those late-night reading sessions or when you're trying to set a vibe. Your entryway console needs this energy. Number 16. SKYDRAG LED light strip with sensor. Under cabinet lighting changes everything. Suddenly, your kitchen looks like it belongs in a magazine. This strip dims, saves energy, and triggers when you get close. Motion sensor magic. Driver size matters though. Reviewers learned this the hard way. Overload it and you get Flicker City. Size it right and it's smooth sailing. DIRIGERA integration lets you weave it into scenes. Closets, cabinets, anywhere you need automatic light. Chain multiple strips for longer runs. No dark corners left behind. Number 15. VINDSTYRKA Air Quality Sensor. Numbers don't lie. PM 2.5, VOCs, temperature, humidity. All right there on the display. Pair it with DIRIGERA and automation kicks in. Air goes bad, purifier turns on. Simple. Better readings than what's built into most purifiers. Central placement helps. Display stays clear and easy to read. Price point makes sense. Some users mention temperature readings seem off. Others report occasional freezing. Still worth it if you care about what you're breathing. Nurseries especially benefit. Keep tabs on air quality where it matters most. Number 14. PARASOLL Door and Window Sensor. Security doesn't require a second mortgage. This tiny sensor mounts with adhesive or screws. Door opens, you know about it. Window cracks, notification sent. Runs on one AAA battery. Setup barely qualifies as a task. Size makes it nearly invisible. Battery life gets mixed reviews though. Some report it draining fast. Others mention connectivity hiccups. DIRIGERA turns it into a security system component. Trigger lights when you arrive. Get alerts about forgotten windows. Link it to cameras if you want. Peace of mind scales with your budget. Number 13. PILSKOTT LED Pendant Lamp. Modern art you can turn on. One bent LED strip floating in an aluminum frame. Sounds simple until you see it. Then it clicks. This produces serious light while sipping electricity. Only 16.5 watts for over 1,000 lumens. Works with your remote. Connects to DIRIGERA if you're building that ecosystem. Shape and glow get unanimous praise. Installation though? That's a two-person job according to the reviews. Maybe three if you're being honest. The LED lives inside permanently. Long lifespan, 0 bulb changes. Guests will ask about it. Minimalist spaces and Scandinavian vibes? This lamp was basically made for you. Number 12. NYMÅNE LED Pendant Lamp. Sleek anthracite finish. Wireless dimming across the white spectrum. Go from cozy 2200K to crisp 4000K with a few taps. Your Matter scenes welcome it with open arms. Design? Check. Brightness? Check. Remote pairing? Might make you say a few words under your breath. Installation probably needs a buddy. Height adjustment, electrical work, the usual pendant lamp drama. But once it's up there, you're set. No bulbs to stock, no frequent replacements. Perfect over kitchen islands where you actually need good light. Dining tables too. Home offices appreciate the adjustability. Number 11. BADRING Water Leak Sensor. Water damage costs thousands. This little puck costs less than lunch. Math isn't complicated here. Stick it under sinks, behind washing machines, near water heaters. Moisture hits the sensor, it screams loudly. Connect it to DIRIGERA and your phone gets the memo too. Runs on one AAA battery. IP44 rated so it can handle splashes. Setup takes minutes, not hours. Under $10 for peace of mind. Renters love these. Homeowners buy multiples. One under every potential disaster zone. Smart move. Number 10. KLEPPSTAD Bed Frame. White powder-coated metal. Beige fabric headboard. Nothing fancy, nothing extra. Sometimes that's the whole point. The headboard cover? Yeah, you can wash it, because life happens and spills are real. Underneath, there's room for days. Storage bins slide right in. One person put this together solo and lived to tell the tale. Others rave about how it doesn't wobble or creak. For the price, it's basically stealing. Vacuuming becomes less of a nightmare with all that clearance. Rolling bins? They're already planning their new home under there. Number 9. VOLLERSLEV Rug. Ever stepped onto a cloud? This rug's probably close. Different yarn thicknesses create texture that your toes will thank you for. Machine woven, but you'd never guess from touching it. Bedrooms love this thing. Living rooms too. Anywhere you walk barefoot, really. People say it punches way above its weight class. Looks expensive, costs less than you'd think. Fair warning though, it might smell a bit chemically fresh out of the package. Fluff it up, give it some air. Also thicker than expected, which most people see as a win. Grab a stop-filt pad unless you enjoy rug surfing across your floor. Number 8. ANNAKAJSA Room Darkening Curtains. Sometimes the old ways still work. Heavy cotton that actually blocks light and keeps drafts where they belong. Outside. Hidden tabs or hooks, your choice. The heading tape lets you get creative with pleats. The fabric feels premium, like genuinely nice to touch. But here's the thing, they're not total blackout. Close, but not quite. And they might hang slightly uneven if you're the type who notices that stuff. Throw them in the wash before hanging. They'll shrink a touch. Pair these with motorized blinds and you've created a sleep cave. Layer for maximum darkness and insulation. Your electric bill might even drop. Number 7. TRAYTACT Smart Plug. The gateway drug to home automation. Handles up to 1800 watts. Schedule it, control it remotely, or just hit the physical button. Options everywhere. Compact design doesn't hog outlet space. DIRIGERA brings voice control into play. Siri, Alexa, Google, take your pick. Some versions track energy usage. Pairing happens without drama. Also strengthens your mesh network as a bonus. Lamps, fans, string lights, holiday decorations. Anything that plugs in becomes controllable. Pair with motion sensors for automatic lighting. Your creativity sets the limits. Number 6. Trod-free LED bulb. 800 lumens, 9 colors, tunable white, uses barely any electricity at 7.2 watts. One remote handles 10 bulbs. Dimming and color changes without opening apps. DIRIGERA integration brings Matter support. Timers, scenes, voice control, all included. 25,000 hour lifespan. Some people complain about needing a hub for everything. Most just enjoy the price and color options. Group bulbs by room, synchronized dimming, coordinated color scenes, wake-up routines. The possibilities stack quickly. Number 5. StarkVind Table with Air Purifier. Side tables just sit there. This one works for its spot. Same purification tech as the standalone unit. Manual or auto mode. Gas filter available separately. Cable routes through the leg. No floor clutter. People love the dual function. One complaint pops up repeatedly. The knob needs the hub to work. Costs more than a regular purifier but does 2 jobs. Hidden shelf stores magazines, remotes, whatever. Form and function sharing space. Number 4. StarkVind Air Purifier. Scandinavian design meets clean air. Automatically adjusts based on what it detects. AHAM certified for rooms up to 215 square feet. Removes 99.5% of particles floating around. Add the gas filter for odor control. DIRIGERA lets you monitor and automate from anywhere. Reviews praise how quiet it runs. High speed gets a bit noisy. Compared to premium brands, the value is solid. Replacement filters won't break the bank. Long-term ownership stays affordable. Number 3. Symphonisk Picture Frame Speaker. Art that sings, literally. Full-range Sonos speaker hiding behind swappable artwork. Blends into walls like it's supposed to be there. Change the front panel whenever your style shifts. Streams over Wi-Fi. AirPlay 2 and Spotify Connect supported. Pair 2 for surround sound. Audio quality surprises people. Daisy chaining to one outlet works great. No Bluetooth though. For tight spaces needing discrete sound, nothing beats this. Mount it however your wall needs. Vertical, horizontal, it doesn't matter. Number 2. Symphonisk Bookshelf Speaker. A speaker that holds your plants. Wi-Fi streaming, horizontal, vertical, wall-mounted, your choice. The flat top actually serves a purpose. Space-saving done right. AirPlay 2 compatibility. Joins existing Sonos speakers. Joins existing Sonos systems for stereo pairing. Sound quality exceeds price expectations. Sonos app gets called finicky sometimes. Under $200 for music that doesn't eat floor space. Shelf holds a few pounds. Dual functionality locked in. Number 1. DIRIGERA Hub. The brain of the operation. Everything connects here. Bulbs, plugs, blinds, sensors. Scenes, timers, routines. Lights fade up at sunrise. Everything shuts down when you leave. It knows. Thread border router built in. Bridges Zigbee devices into Matter. Setup takes minutes. Phone, remotes, voice assistants. Multiple control methods. Pairing works smoothly according to reviews. Reliability holds up. $70 replaces the old gateway. Multi-admin support means different platforms play nice together. The affordable heart of your system. Building a smart home doesn't require a trust fund anymore. These 17 devices prove the future costs less than you think. IKEA's 2026 lineup embraces Matter. Voice control, automation, beautiful design. Everyone gets access. Want more breakdowns like this? Subscribe to Valid Consumer. Hit that bell, join the revolution. Don't sleep on this.